Hi guys, this is Rals. Welcome to another Inside Jungle episode. This week was my grandma's birthday and I was hunting for a unique flower gift. My granny turned 82 and, as she almost never leaves the house these days, it is quite difficult to find a gift for her. Luckily for me, she loves flowers. We had the iron stand for a while and we found in a local hardware store this hanging ceramic planter. Next, I had to visit the garden center of the store and look at this green beauty. It's not a fern, neither a moss. It looks like something in between and fits perfectly in this hanging ornament. Let's take a closer look at this Selaginella Kraussiana plant, which is actually the Aurea variety. It's very dense, but only 2 or 3 centimeters, so around 1 inch in height. I also found a dry stem over here, which I'm going to try to revive in a little bit of water. It looks like a fresh breath of forest air due to its vibrant color and lush appearance. Guess what? Now I want to keep some for myself. In order to do this, I will divide the stems of the plant if I manage to get it out. It's a two-hand operation, so I need to put down the camera for a bit. I'm back. Look at these tiny roots. They actually reach the bottom of the pot. If you can observe, you can tell that there is new growth on one side of the pot, as there are no deep roots visible. So I divided this club moss, as it is often called, into a few batches, with some accidental cuttings fallen as well. Basically, they are the stems that with a bit of soil and a high level of humidity should root and multiply. These are my final results. The centerpiece is, of course, the pot I'm going to place in the ceramic planter and which is the gift for my grandma. I added a few plants that I have around my balcony garden. A flaming cactus stem right in the middle of the pot, a moss rose purslane or Portulaca grandiflora, which will add some nice pink color when it will bloom, and a no-name creeping plant. As you can see, I placed the Selaginella plant in a few different pots, offering it a few different environments as I want to test which one is the best for it. Actually, I tried to push it to survive as a carpet on one of my citrus seedlings, but I'll probably end up covering it somehow, as this plant only survives in very humid conditions. I would say that during the nights and mornings my balcony is humid, but during the day, when it's very hot, like this autumn, we have a very dry and hot autumn so far, I don't think it meets the requirements. The little plastic tray that I have here will also be covered in a plastic sheet to retain moisture. It's time to test our creation and place the pot inside the hanging planter. Planting tip. After a couple of tries on one side, I turn the planter around and voila! The other side is a bit larger and allows us to place a pot inside. Now this is my no-name creeping plant right now hanging for a better visual effect. And voila again, the gift is ready to be delivered. I love the look of this hanging stand and planter so much that I think I'll end up buying one for myself. What do you think, guys? It is a good gift or not? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and please, pretty please subscribe to this channel. In this way you will help me grow this plant lovers community and raise awareness on different plant topics. You can also catch me on Facebook, Instagram or Pinterest. Thanks for watching and see you next week. Bye bye!